Hey guys, so just a quick guide showing you how to take this Google Doc that we've created for you guys and turn it into your own PDF. So what you want to do is just copy everything. You can Control A, Control C, open up a new Google Doc, and you can paste everything there. And what this allows you to do is then modify the doc so that you can customize the description. If you want to add in additional images, swap out images, whatever you want to do. Obviously, it's your own Google Doc, so you can get that all set up. Once you're done and you've got all the content exactly as you'd like it, head over to Fiverr.com and just search for PDF creation, PDF ebook creation. You can just try PDF creation and you'll see that there are tons of gigs here. So you can just choose the one that looks like it makes the most sense. Here, let me just do a search for ebook creation. That may get some better results. Some of these will just be for the ebook cover. Let's do PDF ebook. So I will design an awesome PDF ebook bonus free editable file. I'll do ebook formatting. So you can just choose the gig that seems like it makes the most sense. I will design your lead magnet ebook PDF. This one looks good, although this is 150 bucks, maybe a little bit too pricey. This one's 20 bucks, 30 bucks. So click the option that you think makes the most sense. Check out the gig. Obviously, read the reviews. Do your own vetting. But what you'll do is you'll basically pay the whatever the amount of money is for the gig that you choose. And when you're filling out the information that the person's going to need to create your guide, you'll just link them to that Google Doc. So what you'll do, for those of you that are not sure how to do that, you would just click the share item here on the top, and we have to create a name first. Okay, and then you can either copy the link, or if you get the email address of the person. So what I would do here is I would simply make sure you change the sharing settings so that anyone with the link can see the doc, and then you just copy the link. Or you could also change this to can edit, but you could just make this can anyone with a link can view. Just leave it as is. Copy this, and then when you're going through the Fiverr gig, paying for the gig, and giving them the information they need, you just link them to the doc and say, hey, I need this turned into a beautiful PDF guide. So I mean, really simple. If you guys have any questions or not sure how to do that, make sure to just leave a comment below, and we'll help you out. Enjoy.